Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. First, thank you for stopping my poster. My name is Nisa. I am final year student of food technology. In this video, I would like to present the analysis of physical and chemical characteristics of edible vegetable oil. Edible vegetable oil are primarily composed of fatty acid and usually used in cooking, medicinal, and cosmetic function. It consists from polyunsaturated fatty acid, PUFA, which composed from linoleic acid and linoleic acid. PUFA are important in nerve function, blood clotting, brain health, and muscle strength. Edible vegetable oil are necessary component of our daily diet, which can provide the energy, essential fatty acid, and serve as carrier of fat-soluble vitamin. However, edible vegetable oil are susceptible to quality deterioration through the oxidation and microbial degradation. Different physical and chemical parameters are important to monitor the characteristics of edible vegetable oils. The objective of this study were to determine the percentage of oil yield of raw sacha inci kernel oil and roasted sacha inci kernel oil. Next, to determine the physical and chemical characteristics of 6 edible vegetable oil. And lastly, to identify the level of oxidation of 6 edible vegetable oils. There were 6 samples used as edible vegetable oil, which are raw sacha inci kernel oil, roasted sacha inci kernel oil, flaxseed oil, chia seed oil, RBD palm oil, and blend oil, which are roasted sacha inci mixed with the RBD palm oil with the ratio 50-50. The extraction of raw and roasted sacha inci kernel oil is by using the mechanical cold press method, and the analysis that conduct was iodine value, peroxide value, acid value, aniline value, viscosity, and thermal behavior. Next, for the result and discussion, the percentage of oil yield of raw and roasted sacha inci kernel oil show the significant difference. This because of the roasting temperature, which made the process denature and improve the extractability of the oil. For the iodine value, raw sacha inci kernel oil show the higher value, and this indicate that raw sacha inci kernel oil have the high amount of unsaturation. Then RBD palm oil show the highest peroxide value and the aniline value. This means that RBD palm oil had the fastest oxidation compared to others. On the other hand, the acid value is the measurement of the triacid glycerol that break down into the free fatty acid, which it can cause the quality of the oil become decreasing. The result show that RBD palm oil had the highest acid value compared to other sample. Next, for the RBD palm oil was the most viscous. This because of the RBD palm oil consists of high amount of saturated fat. And lastly, for thermal behavior, the sample that I had run was raw sacha inci kernel oil and flaxseed oil. And for the other sample, the analysis cannot be run due to some problem occur. And the data of chia seed and RBD palm oil was referred from the previous study. Each oil consists different transition temperature of sample. This because of the different chain length of triglyceride, extent of branching of chain, and different the degree of unsaturation. For the conclusion and recommendation, based on the different type of edible vegetable oils, this can be concluded that RBD palm oil had undergoes the oxidation process compared to others, while raw sacha inci kernel oil had a good quality of the oil. The higher peroxide value, aniline value, and acid value indicates that the oil will undergo the oxidation process and the quality of the oil become decreasing. In order to improve the physical and chemical characteristics of edible vegetable oils, determination of sleep melting point and determination of fatty acid concealed in the oil should be done. These are the reference that I refer. And lastly, I grateful to thank you to Dean and member of Faculty of Food Technology for their support. I would like to express my special thanks to my supervisor, Dr. Zarina Zakaria, for her technical support, comments, and suggestion. This study was supported by the grant from Ministry of Higher Education. That's all from me. Thank you.